So the wife and I are going to explore Pike Place Market here in Seattle. Hopefully we'll get to see the fish throwing this morning.
Woohoo!
Yep. And we're stopping by the original Starbucks again. So pray for me. Last time I was here, I did a little damage, but we'll see. Port of Seattle. Pike Place Market has everything. So I'm back at the original Starbucks, and look at the line. I gotta wait in this line to see what new collector cups they have out that you can only get at this location. Yep, so guys, I'm going in. I am going to get in a line because this is an experience. So I can't pass it up. Fish market.
Oh, you've already seen the walkway. When I showed him that parking.
That's calamari.
It's octopus.
Left-handed.
Rockfish.
Look at the sea
Sea urchin.
They dive around Camino, don't they? I've got ice. The little green ones? Yeah, we do those two at the beginning of the season. Okay. Have fun today. We got 3 hours.
Look at that. Crabs. Wow. Look at this. Is this not the freshest fruit you've ever seen? Wow. They sell every flower you can think of here. There's shrimp. I mean, check out this king salmon.
Awesome. I like you guys got some good weather.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's a little rainy right up there this week, but now you got
No, we have good weather, yeah.
if shopping folks come on.
Look at that.
I love it. Hey, if you're ever in the Seattle area, especially if you are lodging downtown, make a visit down to the Pike Place Market. You'll be glad you did. There are so many shops, so many things to do in that area. It is a wonderful experience. Hey, thank you for coming on this journey with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification button so you'll be aware of the next video. And if you can, hit that thumbs up as well. It'll really help my channel. And I invite you, leave some comments. Have you been to Pike Place Market? What was your experience in this area? I'll be glad to hear what you have to say. Hey, we'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day.